Good afternoon. Today we're going to take a look at iDocuments. It's machine learning, the OCR engine, the artificial intelligence, on how your customers can send you sales orders in a PDF. iDocuments can then digest that PDF and actually create the sales order inside of Business One with or without an approval process. So it's a fantastic capability if you have customers that send you PDF orders in a PDF format. Then iDocuments sales to order is going to save your company um, thousands of hours of data entry over the course of a year. So let's take a look and see how this works. Let's jump into iDocuments here. And what I've got behind here is my normal Business One. Now I'm on 10.0, but it doesn't matter what version of Business One you're on. You could be on the SQL deployment, a HANA deployment. It makes no difference to iDocuments. iDocuments is really agnostic to the database and even ERP system. Okay, so to get the ball rolling, what we're going to do is we're going to create an email, and we're going to pretend that we're a customer, and we are going to send in a sales order. Now, let's just take a look at the order here. So I'm pretending that I am with Machina Corporation, and I need these items. And so I've got a purchase order out of my system. I'm sending to Vision 33, and it's going to be turned into a Vision 33 sales order. So let's go ahead and send that to our iDocument system. And let's find it here. We've got one for invoices, another one for sales orders. Now I'm just going to put in here that we need these ASAP, please. And off it goes. Now we have just emailed a PDF and order, multi-line item order into iDocuments. Now what's happening now behind the scenes is the OCR engine is running. And the OCR engine is connected to some machine learning and some artificial intelligence. So if we log into iDocuments, let's log in as a user that can view and do the initial approvals on these sales orders. We'll give the OCR engine a minute to finish here. What we've got, it's going to show up in one of two places. If this is the first time we're receiving this sales order from Machina Corporation, then that will require us to do some document learning, some intelligent learning. Some machine learning, and that's where we would go into the intelligent document, and in here we would then open up the training area, and this is where we train a Business One, or we train iDocuments. And what you'll see on the left, or the far right, will be the actual document that was sent in. What we see on the left is going to be the values pulled off that document. And so it's a matter of, selecting a field here like order number, and then clicking and being able to tell iDocuments where to pull the data from. Now, this only has to be done once. So let's go back here. Let's go ahead and leave this one. Let's wait for ours to show up. Now, ours didn't show up here in Intelligent Document Pending because I've already trained the customer. I've already trained iDocuments on how this customer's PDF works. So now you can see we've got a sales order scan. So here's our OCR. This is what came out of the OCR, artificial intelligence machine learning. And what it did is it pulled all of the data off our PDF we had sent in, and it put it all here into iDocuments. Now, if I want to, I can make any kind of changes. If I need to make any adjustments, the customer got the price wrong or anything like that, I can do that. But then let's go ahead and we're going to submit our sales order. Now, I have dual approval set up. Now, what you can do is you can set it up so when these orders come in, they instantly go into SAP Business One, either as an approved or unapproved sales order. That's where you can use your alerts and approval templates to process those inside of Business One. Or you can do the other extreme where I have multiple approvals set up. So what we're going to do now is we process the AP. Now it needs a final approval. So I'm going to log out and I'm going to log in as the AP approver. And as the AP approver, I can see that I have some sales orders to approve. So we're going to drill down into our sales order. We're going to take a look at it. I've got the same capabilities as the first approver. If I need to make any adjustments or changes, I can. And if I approve this, I just simply click approve. And now I'm done with my to-do list. So what we've done there in just a few minutes, we emailed a sales order into iDocuments. We then saw how iDocuments took apart that PDF and parsed all of the data properly. And then we went through an approval process for that sales order, which now that sales order should be sitting inside of SAP Business One. So let's take a look and let's take a look at our sales order. So we're going to go into SAP Business One. Let's open up the sales and AR area. We're going to open up our sales order here. And now we're going to bring up the last orders where I'm using my VCR keys. And let's bring up the last order entered. Here is our sales order for these 5 items. We also see off to the right here, this is a PDF attachment that shows the original order that came in from the customer attached to the order here in SAP. So as you can see, it's a very simple, easy process to have your customers send you an order in a PDF format, and then iDocuments does all of the rest with or without approval processes. It's up to you. And that's all I have to show you today. If you're interested in converting your customer sales orders into Business One automatically through iDocuments, then please give us a call or visit www.vision33.com. Thanks for watching.